I feel like running out of my car and like running in front of all the cars. Because I think I can get to fucking Little Caesars faster. I'm fucking running than driving this damn car. Fuck! Excuse me, language. Excuse me, my French. You know it's dangerous to look at a camera while I'm driving? Show them the traffic, man. Show them the traffic. Shit sucks. This bus is trying to kill me. I'm really claustrophobic right now. I'm scared. Are we going? Fuck. That car was going way too fast. I'm honestly scared right now. Shit. We're honestly going so fucking slow. I think I can outrun these cars. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, it's hot in the car. Listen to my new favorite song. Okay, it's not helping.
Oh, call it.
Fuck you.
Call it.
Did she just moan? What the fuck?
Whoa, what the fuck? That car was too close, huh?
What car?
The truck.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, man.
Dubstep. Yes. A soothing way to pass a day. I'm a poet, and I didn't even know it. That's the only thing I know at once. Oh. You want to race, bitch? I can't in traffic.
Mustang called it.
Mustang! Oh, I got that little hatchback. That's cute. It's a cute little car. Ah! The leaf! It was straight into my fucking window, man. Wow, bitch. Fuck you. You know what I mean. By the way, this is my second week that I have my license. I've taught myself how to drive, so you probably know how bad I can be. Ah! Ah! I hope they can hear us. Because I love this song, I'm not changing it. Yes. It's getting louder! Yes. It's getting louder! Fuck this traffic! Here it comes. So wait, is this kind of vlogging kind of type of thing?
I don't know. You just told me to record it.
Oh yeah. Because I'm angry as fuck. Look at that skater. I hope he falls. I hope you fall and die.
It looks like a
Fucking skaters.
like a fag, bro.
Even though I wasn't used to be a skater.
Used to, now you're a biker.
Yeah. Hey, baby. How you doing? Ooh, I see meat. Fish. Ma'am, you need to calm down.
Oh shit, is this Acura a 6-cylinder?
This is insane. All this traffic, it sucks dick. Man, fuck you. I don't suck dick. Yeah. How did those 3 dicks taste like, Ivan?
How did your
Hey,
dick
Christian,
taste?
how did Ivan dick taste?
Go fuck yourself. I can ask you the same thing.
What?
Can I?
Can you?
I don't know.
You can actually. Come on, come on. Please move faster. Please, I really want to make it on this green fucking light. I'm going anyways.
Oh, sweet.
Why are we stopping? Little Caesars, here we come.
Oh, dude, look at the lights.
Call it.
Oh, nice.
We're in it used to be a Safeway. What the fuck?
What the fuck happened? This shit was the Safeway like 2 days ago.
This was Safeway last night.
This was Safeway last night.
It was Safeway last night. What happened?
What the fuck happened?
Oh, that's fucking gay. Where am I supposed to get my toaster strudels?
Dude, if Little Caesars goes out, dude, I don't see.
Bro, if Little Caesars goes out of business, I'm officially gonna kill myself.
Yeah, dude. I mean, how can they
A
go out of
$5 pizza that tastes bomb as fuck and it's
Yeah,
warm
and
on
there's
the
always people going in, dude. What the fuck?
Well, at this moment, I believe we should, say something like every little YouTuber there is. Leave comments below. Or whatever the fuck you want.
I'm
Because
Victor Kulakovic, and I approve this message.
I'm Victor Kulakovic, and I approve this message. I love you, Ray Williams.